Good evening, Gautam. Good evening, Kritika. Shall we start the class, beta? So last class we were talking about probability. In that section, I told you probability is a very very important chapter. Here in probability, what? One minute, huh? Gautam, probability from competition point of view. I'm teaching here. How was maths examination, Gautam? Yesterday my health was not well, so I didn't took class yesterday. I think I took class, but you were not there. Your examination over, Gautam? Little easy? Fine. We have discussed all different types, so definitely question will be little easy, na? Very good. Super. So now look here. We are going to talk about probability, Gautam. In school, we have done very little probability, but here we are going to do very extensive probability. So just be that part of that probability and 3D geometry also. I am going to teach some extra part of it. Now look here. The first part of probability we have already discussed what is called as elementary event. Okay. After discussing elementary event, we started knowing that okay, fine, what is called as outcome, and then we talked about negation of a set. Okay, till physics exam is left. Okay, when is physics examination? When is physics examination, Gautam? When is physics examination? Fine. So now look here. The most important part is last class we were discussing about Kanish, Kritika, send the link in the group and tell everyone to join. Send the link in the group and tell everyone to join, Kritika. Friday. You have time na? Today is Wednesday or Tuesday? I don't know the date also. Today is Tuesday, I guess, na? Friday. Today Tuesday or Wednesday? Friday. Fine. Now look here. We'll be starting from the beginning. Now look here. At least one of A, B and C. So last class we were talking about at least one of A, B and C. What does the meaning of at least one of A, B and C? When somebody will be asking you at least one of A, B and C, at that particular moment what you are going to say that ki at least one will be there and at most all will be there. Okay, at least one will be there and at most all will be there. At least one and at most all. So it is just like that probabilistic approach where we are exactly talking about okay, fine, at least one is there na, and if that at least one is there, with that at least one we can exactly go for all. So this part is exactly going to be considered. So when we are talking about at least one means now come on, we have three friends, at least one is there, then we are going to say that okay, at least one is there, then two can also be there, then three can also be there. So like that way we are exactly going to write it as A union B union C. So we are exactly going to write it as A union B union C. So it is coming as A union B A union C. That means at least one will be there. So one and more than one. If somebody will be telling you one and more than one, that means we can start from one and we can say that okay, at least one is there. That means more than one will be there. So more than one means 2 and 3 will be there. So at least one means like that only. Shall we go for the next one? Exactly one of A and B. Exactly one of A and B. Now exactly one of A and B. How to present exactly one of A and B in probability? How to present exactly A and B in probability? First I am going to tell you a very simple point that if somebody will be telling you now two friends are there, now that two friends are telling that if you will be there then I will not be there, then the second one friend is telling that if I will be there then you will not be there, means they both will be telling that any one can be only possible. So if somebody will be telling that ki no, only one is possible, means two cannot be living together, only one can be possible. So then only you say na ki at least one. At least one concept says that if one will be there then other will not be there. If one will be there then other will not be there. So this is exactly the concept of at least one. This is exactly concept of what? This is exactly concept of at least one. So here exactly one of A and B. So if somebody will be telling you exactly one of A and B, that means exactly one of A and B, that means if A will be there, then B will not be there, and the common factor between them will be present. And union, if A will not be there and B will be there. Okay, if A will not be there, B will be there. If A will not be there, B will be there. So A intersection B complement union, A intersection B complement union, A complement intersection B. So this is exactly called as this is called as exactly one of A and B. This is called as exactly one of A and B. Means if one will be there, A will be there, then B will not be there. If B will be there, then A will not be there. So this concept is exactly called as one of exactly, no, means exactly one of A and B. This is called as exactly one of A and B. All three of A, B, C. All three of A, B, C means all three of A, B, C. All three of A, B, C. If somebody will be telling you all three of A, B, C, means if you want to take all the three together. If you want to take all the three together, then you will be saying it as, okay, if I have to consider all the three together, see, look here. When you are considering all the three together, then you will be saying that, okay, fine, I will take A also, I will take B also, I will take C also. Means I will not be leaving anything, I will take all the three. So that means A intersection B intersection C. Means when you are taking all the three together, it will be considered as A intersection B intersection 3. See, that is exactly called as taking all the three together. Taking all the three together. This is called as A intersection B intersection C. I hope you might have understood this point. Now, next is exactly called as exactly 2 of A, B and C. Exactly 2 of A, B and C. So, we started with 1, then we went to 2 and then we went to 3. Now, we are going for 4. Exactly. Now, we are going for 4. Exactly 2 of A, B and C. 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 How to present exactly 2 of A, B and C? Miss, you just have to think about like this, कि if 3 friends are there, then how they are exactly. Devansh, good evening beta. Good evening Devansh. Good evening Devansh. Now look here, exactly 2 of A, B and C. Exactly 2 of A, B and C. So when somebody will be telling you that 3 friends are there and now you can take any 2 of them at a time. Third one will not be taken. You can take any 2 of them at a time. Third one you cannot take. So it is exactly called as 2 of, means that means exactly 2 of A, B and C. Means you can take 2. You can take 2 at a time, but third one you are not going to take. You can take 2 at a time, but third one you are not going to take. So that means what? If you are taking A and B, that means you are not going to take C, negation of C. Then union, you are taking A, but you are not taking B and you are taking C. Union, you are not taking A, but you are taking B and C. This is exactly called as exactly 2 of A, B and C. Exactly 2 of A, B and C. What this is exactly called as 2 of A, B and C. 2 of A, B and C. So now I'm just going to give you some conditions. You have to exactly frame it. Now you have to write in the statement. Now one very important point to be noted, कि either you can write like A complement or you can do like this. So anyone can be taken. Fine. Anyone can be taken. Anyone can be taken. The first statement is only A occur. If 3 sets are there, if 3 sets are there or 3 events are there, A, B, C are 3 events. A, B, C are 3 events. And now since A, B, C are 3 events and somebody will be telling you only A occurs, then how to present only A occurs? Only A occurs. because what probability I'm going to teach, that probability will not be only dependent upon your 11th point of view, it will be covering the 12th very important part there. So just tell me one very important point, only A occurs. So when somebody will be telling you when 3 events are there, yesterday itself I have discussed a very important point that when we discuss probability, that particular moment, if 3 events are there and the 3 events are a part of sample space, then how to represent, means 3 events are occurring together and they will be telling that only A occurs, then how to present it? Only A occur. Think about it. Then only A occur, then answer will be, if they will be saying that only A occur, then we can write it as A was occurring, but B complement will be there and C complement. Means here B complement and C complement is exactly presenting that B and C is not occurring. B and C is not occurring, only A occurs. B and C is not occurring, only A occurs. That's why we say that only A occurs, only A occurs. In the same way, if someone will be telling that only B occurs, so only B occurs. So if somebody will be telling that only B occurs, in the same place where you have written A, now you can say that A is not occurring, B is occurring, C is not occurring. So like this presentation we can give that A is not occurring, C is not occurring, but B is occurring. But B is occurring. So only A occurs means A will occur, but B and C will be, Gautam, absolutely correct. So now if they will be saying that only B occurs, that means A will not be occurring and C will not be occurring. A will not be occurring and C will not be occurring. Fine, we will go for the next one. Next is both A and B but not C occur. Both A and B but not C occur. Yes, Gautam, that is correct one. Second one is absolutely correct. Kritika, can you send the link in the group and tell everyone to join? What is going on? हाँ, मैसेज दिखा बेटा, गुड इवनिंग बोला तुमने देवांश, मैंने तुमको गुड इवनिंग भी बोला, क्या कर रहा है? हाँ देवांश बोलो बेटा. हाँ रे, कसम से दिख रहा है, मैसेज दिख रहा है बेटा. क्या हो गया, गुस्सा है क्या? कुछ भी लिखा था, कहाँ लिखा? गुड इवनिंग मैडम लिखा था, उसके बाद नहीं लिखा था. मैम मेरा मैसेज दिख नहीं रहा. नहीं बेटा नहीं दिखा, रुको लाइव में कन्वर्ट करके चेक करती हूँ, लाइव चैट में डालती हूँ बेटा. गुड इवनिंग के बाद मुझे तुम्हारा मैसेज आया. ओके, टेलीग्राम पे मुझे मैसेज कर दो. ओके, टेलीग्राम पर मैसेज कर दो. टेलीग्राम पे देवांश तुम हो तो मुझे बस एक बार मेरे नंबर पे कांटेक्ट करो, मैं तुमको कांटेक्ट करती हूँ. उसमें मैंने कोशिश किया तुमको कनेक्ट करने का देवांश कल, मगर मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मिला तुम्हारा. मैंने देवांश लिख करके भी टाइप किया था, मुझे नहीं मिला तुम्हारा. मैंने मेरी जो मेरे लिए जो काम करती हैं उनसे भी मैंने बोला था कि अगर देवांश का कोई मैसेज आए तो मुझे तुरंत में रिप्लाई करना, मुझे भेजना. दैट इज़ व्हाट, मुझे तुम्हारा नाम नहीं मिला उसमें. मैंने उसको बोला कि अगर देवांश का कोई मैसेज आएगा तो मुझे तुरंत में रिप्लाई करना, मुझे बताना, SOS में बोलना, मगर कोई मैसेज नहीं आया तुम्हारा. तो मुझे लगा शायद तुमने कांटेक्ट ही नहीं किया, तो फिर मैंने भी छोड़ दिया. उसने बोला नहीं किया कांटेक्ट. नाउ सेकंड, बोथ A एंड B बट नॉट C ऑकर. बोथ A एंड B बट नॉट C ऑकर, इसलिए फिर मैंने छोड़ दिया देवांश. Exactly, I searched your name in Telegram, Devansh. You didn't got my number in Telegram. I didn't got your number in Telegram. Exactly, I was searching your name there, Devansh. I didn't got your name there. That's why. So now both A and B but not C occur. So A and B is occurring. Exactly one person, Prasant, he has contacted me for teaching what you called advanced mathematics. उनका पूरा group का message मुझे आया. I got the message group, but sorry, I got the group message, but I didn't got your number, and I was searching your number. Now both A and B but not C occur. So here now we are going to go back to the work. After that I am going to discuss beta. So here they are telling that A and B but not C occur means A is occurring, B is occurring, but C is not occurring. So both A and B is occurring but C is not occurring. So we write like this. A is occurring, B is occurring, and C is not occurring. So we write like that. Today again you try one time to contact me in Telegram. Try to contact me in Telegram. Message number, I have not kept anything. Wait, community post, I'll send you the link for Telegram. Through that you can join. Third question, I'll send in community post link one more time. A and B but not C. Now all the three event occur. All the three event occur. So when all the three events are occurring, all the three events occur. So when all the three events are occurring, then what answer is going to come? When all the three events are occurring, that what answer is going to come? Right now only I have discussed all the three events are occurring. When all the three events will occur, then what answer you are going to write? All the three events are occurring. So A intersection B intersection C, Gautam, that is absolutely correct. When all the three events will occur, that means there will be definitely some common element between them. So since there will be some common element will be between them, so A intersection B intersection C will be coming. All the three events occur. Okay, now we will go for the next one. We will go at least one occur. At least one occur. I think we have understood the meaning of at least. So at least one occur. So I discussed this point also. If somebody will be telling you at least one occur, if at least one occurs, somebody will be telling you that okay fine, at least one will be there. So at least one occur. So one discussion about at least one occur will be there, then at least one occur will be there, then definitely what you are going to write there? At least one occurs. What answer you are going to say? Come on, quickly tell me. At least one occur, A union B union C. Absolutely, because I have told one very important thing there, that at least one occur means here that one can be possible, more than one can be possible. So here what statement we can write here is A union B union C. A union B union C. This is exactly presentation of at least one occur. So now we are going to at least two occur. So when somebody will be giving you at least two occur, at least two occur. So now at least one occur means A union B, but when they will be telling you at least two occur, then how to present that at least two occur? How to present that at least two occur? At least two occur, how to present? Yes Devansh, tell me Devansh. टेलीग्राम का नंबर चाहिए तुमको, लिंक कम्युनिटी पोस्ट. आई टेल मानसी टू सेंड यू कम्युनिटी पोस्ट. टेलीग्राम शी इज हैंडलिंग ओनली. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल हर टू सेंड द लिंक अगेन. आई एम गोइंग टू टेल शी इज गोइंग टू सेंड यू द लिंक in community post. I am going to send you the link so that you can connect me there. One link already is there, but one more time link I'll be telling her to send in community post so that you can join the group. There is a group beta, in that group only you can join. Okay Devansh, now look here, at least two occur. So when at least two is occurring, how you are exactly going to write at least two occur? Come on, tell me how to write this one. At least two occur, not one. See, three events are there, and if only two of them are occurring, that means when two of them are occurring, third will not be occurring. But how to write this at? So now we are going to write at least two occur. So when at least two occur will be writing, that means A intersection B, means now they have something common between them. So A intersection B, now B intersection C, now A intersection C. So here what we have seen here is कि when at least any two of them will be occurring, then we can write like this. So if at least two can occur, then more than two can also occur. If at least two can occur, then more than two can also occur. So here union, we can go for union A intersection B intersection C. Union A intersection B intersection C. So that means we have seen here one thing, that कि A at least two occur means two and more than two. At least two occur means two and more than two. So when we are talking about three events, then how we are presenting that three events? When we are talking about three events, then how we are presenting three events? First we are writing that ki okay, two is occurring, third one we are leaving. Then that, like that only arrangement we are doing. A, B and C is there. So first AB and then BC, then AC, AB, BC, AC, and then total ABC. AB, BC, AC, and then all the three ABC. So this is exactly called as at least two occur. So when at least two will be occurring, then probabilistic approach can be like this. So now we are going to go for the next one, is one and no more. One and no more occurs. One and no more occurs. See, look here, these type of statements you have to exactly pick there. One and no more occurs. One and no more occurs. One and no more occurs. So when one and no more occurs is written, then how you are going to handle this one? One and no more occurs means only one will be there. After that nothing will be there. Only one. So one and no more occurs. So three events are there, but at least in that three events only one is going to occur, rest of the no one will be occurring. So how to present that one? How to present that one? That is only one occurring, other than that not occurring. So how to present that one? Then you will be saying that ki okay aunty, one is occurring, other is not occurring. So there is a chance that only A will be there, but B and C will not be there. B and C will not be there. Then there is a chance will be there when A will not be there, but B will be there, C will not be there. Now next there is a chance that A will not be there, B will not be there, but C will be there. So exactly only one occur means whenever chance will be there, then only one will be present there. So A will be there, but B and C will not be there. A will not be there, B will be there, C will not be there. Then A will not be there, B will not be there, but C will be there. So like that. देवांश अंडरस्कोर, जस्ट लुको, एक मिनट लिखने दो मुझे. ओके ये तुम्हारा टेलीग्राम का है ना? ओके आई विल कॉन्टेक्ट यू टुडे. ओके इससे मैसेज किया है. फाइन देवांश. ओके आई विल टेक इट बेटा, आई विल टेक इट. So now A will be there, B and C will not be there. A will not be there, B will be there. A and B will not be there, C will be there. That is exactly called as at least one of. Gautam, are you understanding? Okay, are you understanding? So now we are going to go for the next type of probabilistic approach. Today where is Kritika, where is Gautam? Everyone is sleeping today. Shall I keep the class, shall I close the class now? Because really I am feeling like no one is responding. Where are the rest of the children? Only Gautam is there and Kritika is there. Rest of the, I don't know where are the rest of the children. No response. Yes Devansh, I know you are there. Today I don't know, they didn't join. Now types of event. Now we are going to check the types of event. Types of event. So when someone will be asking about types of event, now first type of event is called as certain or sure event. When an event can be called as certain and sure event. When an event will be called as certain or sure event. When an event will be called as certain or sure event. So first type of event is sure event or certain event. So certain or sure event. Certain or sure event. You have done message? Okay, Devansh, I'll check. Certain or sure event. Certain or sure event means, that means when the probability of finding that event is maximum, means which is exactly fixed, that event type, that type of event will be called as certain or sure event. In simple way, if somebody will be telling you finding a prime number, so when you are rolling a dice, the dice will be exactly giving you 1 2 3 4 5 6 numbers. From this, if any one of the number you are going to put, Amya 8947 per. Yes, this is exactly my number only. I didn't remember the numbers, now only I am seeing. Yeah, 8947 Amya. Yeah, correct only. So certain or sure event का मतलब क्या होता है? Certain or sure event means when the probability of finding an event is very high, that type of event will be called as certain or sure event. So here, if somebody will be asking you getting 3, when I am going to roll a dice, I will be expecting a 3. When I am rolling a dice, I am expecting a 3. So that type of information is exactly called as what? Certain or sure event. So when I am rolling a dice, I am expecting a 3. That time it is exactly called as certain or sure event. What it is exactly called as? Certain or sure event. But if somebody will be telling you, okay, what is the probability of getting impossible event? What is exactly impossible event? Impossible event. So if somebody will be telling you, okay, you roll a dice and get me a number 8. Is it possible to roll a dice and get a number 8? Is it possible to roll a dice and get a number 8? Is it possible to roll a dice and get a number 8? Then you will be saying, auntie, it is exactly not possible. How we are exactly going to So it is exactly not possible. It is exactly not possible. That is, if I am going to roll a dice, then out of 6 number, we cannot expect a 7th number. So when we are not expecting 7 or 8, so it is impossible event. Now one very big problem is coming with elementary event. Now can anybody tell me what is the meaning of elementary event? Gautam, what is elementary event? Yesterday itself I told that ki whatever outcomes are coming from a single experiment, it will be coming as elementary event. So when elementary event I am talking about, I am just repeating, when elementary event I am talking about, then what is the difference between elementary event and compound event? Elementary event and compound event. Elementary event and compound event. What is the difference between elementary? Single elements are exactly coming as an elementary event. Very good. And now what about compound event? What about compound event? So event other than single event or impossible event are called as compound event. Events other than single element, means containing single element or impossible, it will be called as compound event. What it will be called as exactly? It will be called as compound event. Okay, what it is exactly going to be called as? Compound event. Okay, just understand one thing. When you are rolling a dice, okay, so when you are rolling a dice, then what and all are the possibilities? When you are rolling a dice, then what and all are the possibilities? Can you tell me? After rolling a dice, yes, after rolling, impossible event means the event whose outcome will be exactly 0 will be called as impossible event. That is one part, Devansh. Now here another part is there, Devans, that is called as impossible event. But elementary event where the outcomes can be single will be called as elementary event. Fine. Now one simple point I am just going to talk about elementary event and compound event. Other than elementary and impossible event, all the events are coming under compound event. Very good. So now here Devans, just understand one thing, when I am talking about 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is exactly coming as elementary event. This is coming as elementary event. Now what we are going to do here is, now what are the all possible? So when you will be exactly having a dice and you are rolling the dice, so what are the total number of subsets possible? You know how to get out the total number of subsets of a set? How to take out the total number of subsets of a set? How to take out the total number of subsets of a set? What is the formula? A set is containing three numbers, then what and all are the possible power set or subsets of it? What are the possible subsets of it? You will come to understand, Devansh, very nicely. Just tell me one thing, that for a set, how many possible subsets are there? How many possible subsets are there for a set? Then you are exactly going to say that, okay ma'am, if a set is containing 6 elements, then then total number of possible subsets will be 2 to the power 6. So total number of possible subsets will be 2 to the power 6. So these are total possible subsets. Fine. Now out of this total possible subsets, if somebody will be telling you, you have to take out the compound events. Okay, then how to take out the compound events? So those events, I told you, those events which are not elementary, and yes, absolutely correct. So यस मैम, उसका पावर मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, पावर का नहीं, इसमें जितने एलिमेंट्स है ना उसको पावर में रख दो, 2 to the पावर में डाल दो. Whatever elements are there, how many number of elements are there, keep that elements in power. So that will exactly be called as total number of subsets of a set. Total number, like a set is containing 2 elements, then how many subsets are possible? It will be exactly 2 to the power 2, that is 4. Check this one out. 1 5 will be there, 1 2 will be there, 1 3 will be there, and then 2 and 3 will be there. So these are the possible subsets. Okay, so now here when somebody will be telling you what are the possible subsets, then you can say that, okay, total number of element here is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So since 6 are the total number of elements, then what can be the possible what can be the total number of compound event? Then look here, elementary event is single events. Okay, so how many elementary events are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 elementary events are there, and one impossible event is there. So one event will be there when 5 will be there or nothing can be written, that is called as impossible. So 6 is elementary event, means single number will be coming. Elementary event like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and then what you will start doing it, you will write 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5. So like after that you start writing, but 1 2 3 4 5 6 will be single, and 5 will be there, which will be impossible. So count total elementary and impossible is coming. Impossible 1 2 3 4 5 6 elementary, 1 impossible. So total 7. So 2 to the power 6 minus 7. So 2 to the power 6 is 2 into 2 into 64. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 16, 32, 64. So it is coming as 64 minus 7. It is going to be 14 minus 7 is 7. 57. So total 57. Total 57. How many? Total 57 compound events are there. That means that events which are not elementary and impossible, these events will be called as compound event. Such events will be exactly called as what? Such events will be called as compound event. Okay, such events will be called as what? Such events will be called as compound event. So you just have to remember, मैंने क्या हुआ देवांश? Such events will be called as compound event, and when somebody will be asking you that what is the meaning of compound event, then you can directly connect it that like single events are not there in compound. So two sets will be there, it will be considered as compound event. 3 sets will be there, then it will be considered as compound event. Okay, so here you see these are compound event. 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5, they are exactly coming under compound event. What they will be exactly coming under? They will be exactly coming under as compound event. Fine. So now we are going to go for the next one. Compound event. Now we are going to go for the next one, that is called as mutually exclusive event. Mutually exclusive event. Gautam 6 elementary event, 57 compound and 1 impossible event, and that is total will be equal to 64. Absolutely correct, Gautam. So like this only we find compound events, beta. So I hope you might have understood the definition of compound event. So when I am going to write here, just identify how many elementary are there, how many impossible are there, and how many compound are there. So I just wrote it like, tell me how many elementary are there, how many impossible are there, and how many compound are there. Elementary, impossible and compound. Elementary, impossible and compound. How many elementary are there? How many impossible are there? And how many compound are there? Okay, elementary. Just tell the answer. Elementary, impossible and compound, 6 elementary. Here for this one, what? How many will be there? Just type and say. Here for this one, how many will be there? 3 elementary will be there. 3 elementary. Re. Gautam, check nicely. One is impossible. 5 will be coming for impossible. This is empty, na? Empty means whatever impossible contents will be there, that will come under empty. Whatever impossible contents will be there, it will be coming under empty. So this is coming for empty part, that is impossible. This is exactly coming for impossible. Impossible event. So this is coming for impossible event. And elementary will be how many? Now tell, elementary will be how many? Impossible. Then how many will be elementary? Impossible is 1. Elementary will be how many? How many elementary will be there? Impossible 1, elementary. Two elementary, 1 impossible and 1 exactly compound. Understood? And 1 exactly compound. Fine. So 2 elementary, 1 impossible and 1 elementary compound. Now next is called as mutually exclusive event. Okay. So mutually exclusive event, what is the meaning of mutually exclusive event? Exclusive event. So if somebody will be asking you mutually exclusive event, then the meaning of mutually exclusive event is कि when, yes, one compound will be there. Mutually exclusive event means beta कि there will be no common element between them. So if A is exactly coming as 1, 2, 3, B will be coming as 4 and 5. That means we can say that okay, we can say that n of A union B will be equal to n of A plus n of B minus n A intersection B. But here since there is no common element, so mutually exclusive content will be written as n of A plus n of B. Mutually exclusive event content will be written as n of A plus n of B. So this is called as mutually exclusive. In mutually exclusive, you will not be getting any common. Means two different sets will be there, and all that both different sets are having some elements, but nothing is common in between them. So they will be called as mutually exclusive. What they will be called as? They will be exactly called as mutually exclusive. Fine. What is the name? What we are exactly going to call them? We are exactly going to call them mutually exclusive. So 2 will be there, third one will not be there. Means there will be no common element. Can you see here? Is there any element common between A and B? Nothing is common. So it will be exactly 0. So here n A intersection B will be exactly equal to 5. Means nothing common means they will be exactly equal to 5. Nothing common means they will be exactly equal to 5. This is called as mutually exclusive. Now what is exhaustive event? If somebody will be asking you what is exhaustive event. So now exhaustive event means what? When different type of events are there, different type of events are there, and you will get, means understand that ki S is a sample space. Okay, that means it is a collection of all the sets. It is a collection of all the set elements. But now if somebody will be telling you that A1, A2, A3, 3 different type of sets are there. So now when A1 union A2 union A3 will be making S, then it is exactly called as, exhaustive event. It will give the complete sample space. Correct only beta. So this is exactly called as exhaustive event. exhaustive event. This will be exactly called as what? Exhaustive event. Exhaustive event is exactly giving the confirmation that you add all that events, I'm going to give you the complete sample space. So if a sample space is exactly there, means when you have rolled a dice, 6 numbers are there. So this is the sample space. Now A1 is getting set of all prime numbers, that is through 3, 5. B is exactly what? B is set of getting number divisible odd numbers. So now odd numbers are 1, 3, 5. Okay. Now number divisible by 2. C is number divisible by 2. So 2, 4, 6. So now if I am going to find A union B union C, so this is exactly prime number, odd number, and this is even number or number divisible by 3. Number divisible by 3. So when I am finding A union B union C, it is coming as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is exactly giving you the complete sample space. It is giving you the complete sample space. So A union B union C, A union B union C will be giving you the complete sample space. A union B union C will give you the complete sample space. This is exactly called as exhaustive event. Now favorable, mutually exclusive and exhaustive and favorable outcomes we will see, and then we will start solving questions. And then pretty rule means I am going to tell you what is probabilistic function and many important points I am going to teach in next class. And here in competition level, how in probability we are using combinations and permutations, that I am going to teach from next class onwards. Okay, bye everyone who is there today.